There they go, they're just getting into the car. I already went out this morning with my mother. Walked the dog. I don't know where they're going. Yeah, hello everyone. It's about 1:30. My mother was running into lots of people in the park. A few people in the park. And I just sort of wandered off. Octavia was shouting back to me, "Come and say hello," and I'm like waving my hand over my shoulder like, "No thank you," as if to just say I'm indifferent towards the whole thing. Let's look at these drawings. Do you know what that is? Probably not. Stonehenge, Sears Tower, Washington Monument. Paper's a bit crumpled, so probably doesn't look that great. I'm sure you know what they are without me telling you. I'm sure you can work out what they are. And then just some random objects: barrel, parrot, dynamite, Zelda, Breath of the Wild. More Zelda, Breath of the Wild. More monuments. Lizards and salamanders and newts. Birds of prey. Yeah. Had to get the room clean because there's biscuits everywhere. Just been sitting here eating biscuits. Everything the body needs. I won't make this one too long because I don't much feel like making a video. 98 days till Christmas. I'm going to keep counting down in every video. Sorry, I'm like apprehensive of what to point the camera at because I might reveal sensitive information. I managed a bit of exercise last night. I was watching American Dad. What's this? Piece of food for the dog. Simple start here. Online banking. A few people have been telling me you should do online banking. And when I was in the park, I think there was some kind of COVID testing facility. I'm like, yeah, that's fine, thanks. Not for me. Not for me. And of course I got paid today, so that was something to enjoy, so I ordered a few things. Other than that, I don't think they really like it. Toast and jam tea. Show them what's in the fridge, because why not? All I've had is biscuits. I'm not really hungry. 9 stone, 13 pounds when I looked before, so I mean that's to be expected. I'm not really walking, I'm doing a little bit of exercise, so that's fair enough. I hate this soda. I don't know why you pause it. What's this? Gordon's gin. I don't drink alcohol. Hummus. There's always hummus in the fridge, hummus and salad. What's on the calendar? Time to do one more minute. Meal out with Sandra tomorrow. Great. VIP Formby. Carpet call on morning. Take old carpet. Races. What is that? Races. Half term. Babysit, Mojo booster jab. That's it. Christmas is on a Saturday. 2 bank holidays in a row. Yeah, I hope you all have a nice weekend. Hope you all have a nice rest of your day. I'm going to do the usual thing for the rest of the day. Yeah, take care.